Good evening. Today is about 28, so I'm here, no? So, thanks again. No? This is our 10th administration of Jack no? From retired police from Florida. Again, thanks, no? Di ba isa niya last time? Pero ni-walk tigil siya dito sa road, yeah? Again, thank you, Joshua. Again, Sir Manson, this is the Cebu, no? Much more fun here in the Philippines because we have our own airlines, Cebu Pacific Airlines, the mother of all festival, the Sinulog Mardi Gras here. Again, here, our winner meter. Viva Pit Senior. Again, Viva Pit Senior. There you are, yeah. Again, Manson, this is our product. So, and then, nag-partner kay Kani, kami which nga mong countryman, nasa boat sila lagi nga. This is change, no? The unique, by which, record na. Then, by which nga, isuway pa dito sa mga pasyente, no? Mapagiging out sa market, and I hope nga, if you listen this one, Mr. Manson, no? We are the electronic millennium history, yeah? Which lagi, what happened is okay, no? Again, ako kayong gida, kabawit sa kasabot ng akong mga kilomeno. Again, I would like to thank here, no? Susan, you can see from YouTube, George from Freedom, then Larry Page from Google, then Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook, then Tony Robbins on the film sections, then Zoom TV, John Ruens, no? Again, thank you for your support siya by which karon, no? Personally ni Dr. Yong, no? Sa Valde, no? Sa Dr. Zayad, na ano man ko ching dem, ako sa iminan, na isa siya sa Magic Words, no? Congrats heart, yeah? Again, thank you, Dr. Yong, no? Again, mo lagi ito akong install team, Dr. Yong, no? Again, this is world, yeah? Then, mo lagi na nga, the product, no? So here, Sir Benson, nga, mohangyo lang ako. Gibigyan mo lahat, no? Inuis to manufacture this one. Daghan mo kayong offer, but kung kunan nga, tabangan ka, no? Kay tako sa tugpod, sa timon, tako sa tug gastoy mo na disgrasya nga building block niya, by which nga makatabang-tabang di mo, then we have history already. Kaya nga ako, ang napagawasan na ako doon sa Pilipinas, maybe manufacture tao siguro 100 or 20 ba, o 30 ba, nga, which nga collector's item niya, then memorable ka na, by which na ano signature na pala ko signature, no? There you are. Here, elastic, yeah, here. Again, Viva Pichinor, by which by our Pope, no, Francis is coming here, in school. Then, thank you, Justin. Then we extend about the 5 treatment sessions, by which no, more of walking, in which nanasa strength, but ang way, no, sa Paridi, there you are. This is the evening of Cebu around 5:45, yeah. So here again, the Marcelo Fernandez and two bridges about the old bridge and then the new bridge, no. So here's the ferry boat and it's going to Cebu, there you are. So again, Pichinyo, no? Pichinyo, Lapu-Lapu, there you are. Again, thank you, and thank you kay Jackson for the testing niya. Again, so sleep, pagkita siya, no? 69 years old. Again, wala lagi problema, basta si Arwin el Commissioner, in which is test machine, no? Which based on the Harvard, John Hopkins, and American Heart Association, which is heart condition. Again, di ka magpapang observance, no? Again, you're reminded lang, no? Again, we're history.